Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and perfect for your daily life. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. Thank you for joining us today.
David, you look very cheerful today. Something good is happening?
Yes, actually, this weekend I'm hosting a dinner gathering at my apartment.
Ooh, a dinner gathering. That sounds exciting. Are you cooking?
I am cooking some things and ordering many things.
A perfect combination. So what's the challenge?
I want to welcome my guests politely and naturally in English, but sometimes I'm not sure what to say.
Then today's lesson will help you and our listeners sound friendly, confident, and natural when welcoming people into your home. Let's imagine it's Saturday evening. It's almost time for your guests to arrive.
Okay, my apartment is clean, the food is ready, and I'm wearing my nice shirt.
Perfect. Suddenly, you hear ding dong. The doorbell rings.
They're here!
You walk to the door, open it, and the first thing you do is...
Smile?
Exactly. A warm smile is universal. Then you use a friendly greeting. Here are some excellent options. Hey, I'm so happy you're here. Welcome. Thanks for coming. It's so good to see you. I'm glad you could make it.
I'm glad you could make it. I really like that one.
It's great, especially when someone is busy but still came.
Now your friends are at the doorway. You want to bring them inside comfortably. Say, "Come on in. Please come in. Make yourselves comfortable. Come inside. It's much warmer here."
What if it's raining outside?
Then, come in out of the rain. Very natural. Next, help with their belongings. For coats, "Can I take your coat? Let me hang this up for you." For bags, "You can leave your bag right here." For shoes, depending on your house rule. If you want shoes off, "Would you mind taking off your shoes?" We usually leave shoes by the door. If shoes are okay, no need to take off your shoes. Come on in.
I love how polite these sound.
Tone matters. A gentle, warm voice makes all these phrases friendly. After they settle in, the next step is offering a drink. Phrases: "Can I get you something to drink?" "We have water, juice, iced tea, and soda. What would you like?" If you want guests to help themselves, "The drinks are on the table. Please help yourself."
That one is great when I'm still cooking in the kitchen.
Exactly. It lets guests feel at home. Giving a mini tour helps everyone feel relaxed. Say, "Let me show you around quickly. The bathroom is down the hall on the right. Here's the kitchen, and the living room is over there."
Should I show them the bedroom?
No! That's too personal. Only show what guests need. Small talk is essential when hosting. Let's practice some good starter questions. Topic: the week. How was your week? Did you do anything fun today? Topic: food. Are you hungry? Dinner will be ready soon. Topic: weather. Such a beautiful evening, isn't it? Topic: hobbies. Have you been watching any good shows lately? Still playing guitar? Topic: clothes. I love your jacket. Looks great.
Compliments are powerful. Everyone smiles when you compliment something.
Exactly. Keep it simple and sincere. Let's teach our listeners some words they'll hear today. Repeat after us. Host, the person giving the party. Guest, arrival. Coat rack, entrance. Refreshments, snacks. Help yourself. Gathering, atmosphere.
These are all super useful for social situations.
Now, imagine your guests don't know each other. You must introduce them. Formal. "Anna, I'd like you to meet Brian. Casual. Anna, have you met Brian? Then give them a shared topic. You both love hiking. Brian also works in marketing. Anna just came back from Japan. Didn't you go last year, Brian?
Helping them find something in common is the key.
Exactly. You're building bridges.
Sometimes people get quiet and don't know what to talk about.
That's normal. As a host, you can ask easy group questions. What's everyone's favorite comfort food? Who here has tried making homemade pizza? What's a movie you can watch 100 times?
These are great. They make people laugh and share stories.
The atmosphere of the room matters a lot. Tips are soft music, not too loud, warm lighting, comfortable seating, space for people to move around, and snacks they can reach easily. Useful phrases are, make yourself at home, grab a seat anywhere you like. Feel free to take more snacks when you want.
Make yourself at home is my favorite.
When the party is ending, you want to say goodbye politely. Phrases are, thank you so much for coming. I had a wonderful time with you. Let me get your coat. Get home safely. Let's do this again soon.
This sounds warm, natural, and friendly.
That's the goal.
Now, listeners, we want to hear from you. Do you like hosting people at your house?
Or do you prefer being the guest? Tell us in the comments below.
And how do you say welcome in your language?
This was such a fun episode. David, I think you're ready to be a fantastic host.
Thanks to your help, Emily. And thank you to all our listeners.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.